So today let's do quick unboxing of the EFS 24mm 2.8. So it's from Canon. I have like R50 here. Also I have like M52 M50 Mark II, if I get it right. So for me to be able to use it is like I need an adapter, which is already I have it on here. I have 50mm here. Let's put it on. Let's put it off first. So I had 50mm, which I like. Now this is just a 24mm, and it's called Pancake for a reason, because it's actually very tiny. So it makes the whole experience. I love my 50mm, but so when you get it, you're gonna get like the usual paperwork guides. So if you need it, if you don't, you get it. So here the lens itself, nothing. That's the box, that's everything, nothing else. So that's the whole thing itself. Very tiny, ain't gonna lie, very, very tiny, very small. That's the name come from Pancake. So Canon, you can see 24mm, micro, 16mm, whatever it is, I don't know. It's 2.5 f 2.8, not 2.5, 2.8, don't mind me. So Pancake for a reason, because it's actually very, very small. If you can see it, very, very small. So that's the main thing. So let's put it on my R50. So I already have adapter on. If you have R50, the reason why I went for the EFS is cheaper. Get something that is cheap, but it works. So it works. And just like that, you hear that click, that's it, boom. Let's see if it's working or not. Let's see, put it, yes, autofocusing on is working, is working. Let's take picture. It's focusing on it. Nice, really nice, cool. Even the adapter is bigger than the lens itself, so it's crazy. Yeah, that's it really. If you have R50 or you have M50, yeah, you can just get adapter and then use EF lenses. I got this one from Amazon. I know people ask if they get it from, I think they were doing a sale, so I got it for like £137, something like that. You can get it cheaper on Facebook Market and all those things. You can. So for me, it's like I like getting it sometimes by depend whatever. I don't know. So at some point I like getting from Amazon, just in case of anything you can return it. So yeah, that's the whole purpose of getting it from Amazon. So yeah, I think now I have to, because I'll be doing some shooting for a friend of mine. So I'll be using this one because it's gonna be group pictures in that 50mm. I love 50mm, but when you're gonna be like more like a group pictures and all those things, 50mm is like you have to kind of be very further away from. So I think 24mm is really good, which is like 38 for full frame, something like that. 38mm for full frame, something like that. That's the whole, I don't know how the calculation, I'm new into all these things, so don't mind me. So it's for full frame is like 38, but for APS or crop sensor is like 24mm. So yeah, anyway, that's it really. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Ciao.